Buying a used car can feel like a high-stakes gamble. How do you know what a car is really worth? And how do you spot a problem that could cost you thousands? I'm about to show you how to take control of the entire process. This is Car Value Scout, and you're about to see just how simple it is to buy your next car with total confidence. Right from the start, it's effortless. You begin by simply entering the year, make, and model as I'm doing now. Or for even faster results, you can use the car's VIN, and the app will do all this for you. Next, I'll add the mileage and zip code, which helps the app zero in on the most accurate local valuation. Now for the part that protects you from costly surprises. This is your secret weapon. Here, you have the option to enter any OBD-II codes from a scanner, or you can take the car on a test drive to any auto parts store and get a free OBD-II code reading from them. This first step to uncovering hidden issues. Here comes the guided part, the visual walk around. We'll also select the car's general condition from this simple drop-down, a 50-point guided walk-around. You don't need to be a mechanic. This is your expert checklist, reminding you of the 50 things you need to check, from the engine bay to the tires to the interior. It turns a stressful inspection into a simple guided process, ensuring you don't miss the little things that add up to big money. With one tap, the magic happens. Instantly, you'll get the full picture, the private party value, a fair price range, the estimated repair cost based on your findings, and most importantly, the true as-is value, what you should actually offer for the car. No more guessing. This is your data-driven starting point for any negotiation. But it doesn't stop there. For every issue you've noted, from check engine light codes to items on your walk-around, Car Value Scout empowers you. You get direct links to find that exact part on Amazon and eBay, and even better, a link to YouTube videos showing you how to install it. This knowledge is power. You can see if it's a simple DIY fix, or you can walk into a repair shop already knowing how complex the job is. And finally, the ultimate tool. You can generate a professional PDF report. Use it to compare multiple cars side by side so you never forget the details. More importantly, you can hand this report to the seller. It's undeniable proof that backs up your offer with facts, changing the entire dynamics of the negotiation. It's that simple, that fast, and that powerful. Before you buy your next car, don't just look at it, scout it. Download Car Value Scout today.